What's up, everybody? I'm Platypus VR, and today I'm playing Yeeps Hide and Seek, only up, but they recently added RC cars to the game, and I'm going to be playing an only up with an RC car. So there's basically courses with an RC car, and Ethan here. Ethan. Back. Alright, let me change the fit. Guys, I don't really like the fit.
Look at this fit. You don't like the fit, bro? You don't like it?
No, I don't like my fit.
Not for you? How do you shoot different colored confetti? How do you do that? You didn't see that, guys?
No.
Guys, you really don't see that. How do I shoot different types of confetti? Okay, only...
Yeah! Wait.
Guys, you don't see any of
this
that.
is good.
Yeah,
This is perfect!
That fit is insane. I'm a hobo.
Nothing else.
So, Jack, can you come here, buddy? I have a surprise for you.
Yeah?
I have a surprise. Wait, stay there. Go back.
I don't know about this.
I have a surprise. Hey, come here. Say hi to Timmy.
You got the
Say hi to
plushie?
Timmy. Oh my God, no!
Haha, Timmy. Alright.
Kill
Alright, let's
them.
get started with this. Where's my car at?
Okay, wait. Get her cars ready.
Let me get the wrist strap.
car.
There we go.
Yeep. So, guys, our new Yeep plushie is going to be driving inside the car today, guys. He is our driver. Jack, look at him.
I can't.
Isn't he cute? Look at him. He's driving.
I can't pick it up.
You need to pick it up, Dodo.
It doesn't let me.
With that arm.
There we go.
See?
Alright, you ready?
So today, guys... Wait, where'd my car go?
Over there. Alright, how do we start this?
That's not my car.
They start right here. Alright, here we go.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, Jack.
Nope.
Oh,
Come on,
shoot.
car. You can do this.
Yeet plush,
No.
come on, buddy.
I almost fell. Oh.
Ah! Ah! Oh my God.
Oh! No! I fell. Go. No. Not backwards, forwards. No, we're not. That didn't happen. Alright, that didn't happen. That didn't happen! Oh my gosh! What the heck? This game thinks that the thing fell? That's weird. Where are you, Ethan?
Whee! Over here.
Oh, I see you.
Side.
Alright, this is the part where I fell.
Learning how to drive.
Come on. Yeah! I beat my record. No. Stop it going away. Yeah, we're cooking. Alright, be careful now. We're pretty high up, and I want to get inside. Because I ain't restarting.
Whoa, buddy. Whoa.
Why do you keep jumping?
I'm fixing. Oh!
That didn't happen. The fact that I'm ahead of you now. What? Alright, that's it.
Wheelie!
Alright, let's go in. What?
Yeah, let's go, guys. I can't go in.
What?
It's not cooking.
I'm confused.
I think the map's broken.
Oh no, that button.
Are we supposed to
that
do-
button has to be clicked.
The only ups in here, Jack, we're so dumb.
Oh.
The only ups in there.
We're dumb.
Okay, guys, you didn't see that. Rob the elf. Can you open the door, please? It says place car. Put car here.
Oh, Ethan, I put it inside.
hmm.
You look. No, grab it there. All right.
Oh my God!
All right,
no.
I'm going to the top. Oh, this is gonna be hard.
No.
Impossible. All
I
right,
have to watch him.
we're gonna do this. Did you actually break that? No!
Our cars are stuck.
Come on, car. Dang it.
Oh!
How do you repair those? Why are two of them out repairing?
I can't see mine.
Get on the roof.
Mine's like down there.
Get on the roof.
I can't see mine.
Get on the roof. Alright, come on, car. Come on. Ah!
Ah!
Come on, car. You're not clutching. What? Oh. Yeah! What? Bro! Bro! There. Oh my gosh, this is so
fell.
weird. Ethan, get on the roof.
I can't see it.
Get on the roof.
I got you, man. I got you.
Ugh. Come on, car. What the heck?
Frick!
What the heck is?
Bro, can we just play normal?
No. Our cars will do it. Because our cars are successful in falling. Oh my gosh! Yes! Oh, I'm gonna fall. Come on. Ugh! This is impossible.
Come on, Jimmy! What are you doing?
No! I was doing so
Jimmy!
good.
You have failed me as a father!
Huh?
I'm disowning you. You're a retard!
Oh my gosh! This is
Okay,
so
Jimmy is
annoying.
kind of a retard.
Ugh.
Mine's just stuck in the corner.
Ethan, get on the roof already!
Nah, me, I'm still not a fan of.
Man, this is impossible.
Ah! You monkey!
No! Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry.
Yes! Good job, Jimmy. I'm not disowning you. Fuck. Jimmy, I'm gonna disown you. Make the jump. Oh my god, Jimmy's insane, Jack.
Ugh!
Come on! Jimmy! No! Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I'm raging. How'd you get so high?
Being autistic. That's a jump?
I hate when my car gets stuck down there. It makes me want to rage.
Ah! No!
Oh, you fell? I'm stuck.
Micro?
I wish that you could go backwards. Nice. Oh my gosh.
Ah! Oh shoot, mine's stuck in the corner. I was gonna get my revenge.
Right.
Ah! Oh.
No, I didn't mean to do that!
Ow!
Oh.
My turn.
Oh my
Oh,
gosh.
I'm not disown you. I'm gonna disown mine. Is that okay if I can disown
I thought you were so
mine?
excited about your plushie. How dare you?
No, I am. It's just that I just want to disown this car.
Oh, the car.
You're not gonna make it. You need a head start.
I kind of did make it.
Ah!
No! No!
Fuck!
I fell?
Okay. Now mine's just stuck in the corner! God! This obby's impossible.
I'm gonna cry.
I'm gonna cry too. Jimmy can't freaking make it! Ah!
Oh!
How'd I make that?
We're not cooking.
I'm just on mine. Jack, I think we should just do normal only.
You go. I'm
Yes.
cooking.
No, Jack, actually, please. Just let us do normal only up. Please, Jack.
You're a seller
I'm
and
begging.
only up.
No, please, I won't sell. If I sell,
That's what they all say.
I will never play Yeeps Hide and Seek ever
That's
again.
what they all say.
Deal? Please, Jack, I won't sell.
Ethan?
Please!
I'm
Please,
gonna,
Jack.
I'm
Actually,
cooking. No!
Let's see how far you make it. Yeah, Jack, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
I'm
I'll just
cooking.
accept it. I just don't mind. I just own my child.
Oh. What are you doing?
Nothing. Here, open this box. Open this box up. Open it. Throw it down. Throw it. No, you're supposed to throw it. Open the letter. Please. Please tap.
Bomb.
Ah! Backflips. Okay, Jack, I think we gotta go play, Jack. For the sake of our well-being, I think we just gotta go play normal only up.
Ethan.
Yeah? Okay, let me see it.
Where is my car even? How about we do a race? Let's do a race, Ethan. Ethan! No, stop car. Stop! What the heck, car?
Where are you,
Why are you
Jack?
controlling my car?
Read this.
Let's do a race.
Jack, read this.
Let's do a race.
Jack, just read this.
Yo,
read this.
what?
Just read this. Jack, read this, please. Jack, read it. Read it. Read the letter! Yeah,
Alright,
Jack.
let's race. What? Is this a race?
Hold on. Yeah.
How is this a race?
You start from
Is there
here.
a brake on here?
You start from here.
No. Come back. Come
Oh,
back.
shoot.
You cheater.
Whoa. Okay. 3.
No. Hold on. Ready, set,
3.
go.
Set. Go. Hey, you cheated! Guys, I totally made it.
Yo, what?
Ah!
Haha.
Get sabotaged.
Oh, we're going the wrong way.
Wait, we went the wrong way on this.
Oh my gosh, we're so bad.
We start from here?
Here.
Here, yeah.
I lost my
Here.
car.
No, wait. Yeah, we start from here. Drive it all the way up to the fence. Drive it all the way up to it. Like, drive all... When it closes, drive it. Just drive it. Drive it. Drive
Ready,
it up a little more.
set,
Okay.
go.
Set.
What? Go. Man.
Man.
Yeah, car.
Man.
Oh, didn't mean to do that.
Man.
Bro, you cheater. Yeah!
Monkey.
Let's go! We
play
cooked,
normal
car,
only
we
up, Jack.
cooked.
Let's go play normal.
We cooked!
Let's play.
We cooked!
Let's
Let's
play
go!
only up now. Okay, we're gonna go
Ethan,
play
I'm
only
cooking.
up now.
I'm gonna cook again. Oh, I'm cooking. Wait a minute. Aw, I was hoping that would work. Yeah, we're cooking.
Jack, come on,
We're
please.
cooking.
Jack, can we please just play normal only up?
How about we do only up,
Please, Jack.
normal only up in a different video? So you know what? Let's do that right now. And that's gonna do it for today's
See you
video.
guys.
If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye.
Yep, listen to Jack, guys. Bye.